Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. I'm very pleased today to have Mr. Andrew Rigby of Phoenix Contact with me. He's going to talk to us about the PTCB TM system device and why this should be considered as DPA Product of the Year.
Hi, I'm Andrew Rigby. I'm Product Manager for Circuit and Surge Protection from Phoenix Contact. So every engineer's experienced this. Every machine stops, production stops, and won't restart. And somewhere inside the cabinet, a protection device is operated. The problem is finding which one. Because protection isn't just about stopping faults. It's about understanding them, identifying them, and restoring supply. That's why we've developed the PTCB TM range. It's a solution designed to make protection smarter, simpler, and far more space efficient. It's a new generation of thermal magnetic devices designed for modern installations, covering both AC and DC voltages, up to 16 amps, with single and double pole variants with a current monitoring display option too. It combines protection, signalling and monitoring in a single integrated system. With modern control cabinets under increased pressure, more devices needed within less space, machines becoming smarter with additional communication requirements, maintenance teams need improved visibility when faults do occur. Traditional protection devices consume more cabinet space, increase wiring complexity and time, with troubleshooting harder to identify and resolve. The PTCB TM was developed to help engineers fit more into the cabinet, find faults faster, and simplify maintenance throughout the machine lifecycle. So it does three things particularly well. Firstly, it creates valuable space, always one of the main issues in cabinets and enclosures. With an overall width of just 8.2 millimeters, it can save up to 67% of the space, which is typically utilized by standard devices. Secondly, it simplifies panel building and reduces wiring effort. Integration within our clip line complete system reduces time and improves efficiency. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, it provides visibility. Because protection shouldn't just tell you when something has failed, it should help you see problems developing before they become downtime. So we recently worked with a machine builder who wasn't looking for a new circuit breaker. They were looking for more space, more visibility, simpler commissioning, but their cabinet was becoming increasingly crowded. New functionality being added, valuable space disappearing, and fault finding was taking longer. So the PTCB TM addressed all three challenges. The compact footprint created space, visual and remote signal allowed visibility, whilst the combined distribution allowed for a simplified build, improving time, reducing wiring complexity within this system. For them, the benefit wasn't just simply circuit protection. It was a cleaner design, better transparency, faster fault finding, and greater confidence in the finished machine. So today's machines contain more components than ever before, and at the same time, panel space is shrinking, and downtime is more expensive than ever. That's why the PTCB TM matters. It helps engineers protect circuits, understand what's happening inside of the cabinet, and get machines back into operation faster when issues occur. So at Phoenix Contact, we believe protection should do more than simply just trip during a fault. It should help engineers design more efficient, compact, communicative solutions. It should help maintenance teams find faults faster, and ultimately it should help keep production running. Because when production stops, every minute matters. That's exactly what PTCB TM was designed to do. To learn more, visit phoenixcontact.co.uk or speak with your local Phoenix Contact teams. And if you believe PTCB TM represents the future of smarter circuit protection, please support us by sharing this video and helping us become DPA's Product of the Year.
That's excellent, Andrew. Thank you very much for the explanation. Clearly, there's a lot more to find out. As Andrew said, you can check out the link that's associated with this video, and we look forward to seeing if this will be the Product of the Year.